Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you 5 shortcuts that you can do in your Windows to open Task Manager. So, probably most of you knows the importance of Task Manager. It has different important features where you can check the performance of your computer. Here under the processes, you can simply disable applications that is not performing well. Okay, you can simply enable or disable it. Okay, might as well here in the startup apps, it has this very important features where you can identify those unwanted applications that you no longer needed in your computer. You can simply change the status to disabled or enabled by just doing a right click, and you can simply disable or enable it. Okay? So what's the first step on how to open Task Manager? So here's the first shortcut. You need to locate your cursor in the taskbar, do a right click, and it will appear here Task Manager. So once you click that, your Task Manager will be open. Okay? So the second step is you need to locate your cursor in the Windows icon, do a right click, and the Task Manager will appear. Once you click that, it will also be opened. The third step is at the bottom search bar, you can simply search for Task Manager, and then you can open here. Okay? And the fourth step is you need to press Control, Alt, and Delete together, and Task Manager will be opened. Okay, let's press it, and Task Manager will be open. Okay, and the fifth and last step is you can press Windows on Arcade together, or you can simply press right click, and then go for Run. And in this new window, you can simply search for Task MGR and then click on OK. And here the Task Manager will be opened also. So those are the 5 shortcuts that you can do in your Windows to open Task Manager. If in case you know a sixth one on how to open it, then let me know in the comment section below. I would love to find it. I would love to read it. Okay? So hopefully this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated into our upcoming video tutorials. Thank you for watching this video and take care of yourself.